Good day everybody, and welcome back to Sydney Shows Vlogs. I'm currently on Waratahs at A56, leading carriage T65 62. Just gonna do a random travel series video. It's been a while. I'm just gonna do a bit of a travel series video for around the Y-Link.
Next stop, Harris Park.
The Y-Link is a sharp curb that links the Western Line to the South Line.
This train will stop at Harris Park.
That links Harris Park to Merrylands, Merrylands to Granville, and Granville to Harris Park, which is the main Western Line that goes as a sharp curb to the South Line, and it's named Y-Link. The next stop is Harris Park, followed by Merrylands.
This station is Harris Park. Please mind the gap when getting on or off the train. Next stop, Merrylands.
So this is the Y-Link. I'm headed off to Liverpool so I can do a video there, but just thought I'd just do it a random travel series. So, and that is why it is given the name Y-Link. And if I'm wrong, then you said so. I reckon it just makes sense to me. No, anyways, yeah, it does make sense to me. It is the Y-Link, as I can call it. And that's why it's in the shape of a Y. And that's why it's given the name Y-Link.
This train will stop at Merrylands.
So I'll shut up for the rest of the video, and I will finish this recording at Fairfield. So anyways, a bit of a travel series video for you from Parramatta to Fairfield via the Cumberland Y link, which is given the name Y. Anyways, sit back and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and yeah, enjoy the travel series.
This station is Maryland's. Please mind the gap when getting on or off the train. Next stop, Guildford.
Please keep your personal belongings with you at all times. If you see unattended baggage, please do not touch it, but notify staff immediately. Thank you. This train will stop at Guildford. This station is Guildford. Please mind the gap when getting on or off the train. Next stop, Yennora.
train will stop at Yennora.
Stand.
The next stop is Fairfield, where the Travle series ends.
Next stop, Fairfield.
Yep, we know it. No, just having a little bit of fun. Oopsie daisies. Over Fairfield, what do you call that, railway crossing?
This train will stop at Fairfield.
Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. That's it for y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch you all very soon. Goodbye for now.